He got the brakes. He figured out the brakes.
Keep going. I can hear that
Heck
thing
yeah.
from a mile away.
All right, come here. Henry. Your brake's that pedal. That's your brake. Whoa! Yep. You always got to keep your foot down. Okay? And always downshift it when you stop. Go ahead and get over there and downshift. Push that down. Yep, you have to put your foot down and catch it, okay? Now, so that's your gas. Now, shift up. All right. Give it. Give it.
Proud daddy.
He's like me when I first saw it. You just said to take off.